Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Ring thermostat integrations with Alexa routines, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Ring thermostat is properly installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. In the search bar, type Ring and press Enter. Find the Ring skill and tap on it. If the skill is not enabled, tap Enable. You will be prompted to log in to your Ring account. Enter your Ring account credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select Thermostats to find your Ring thermostat listed. Tap on your Ring thermostat to access its settings. To create or update routines, go back to the main menu. Select Routines from the menu options. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine that clearly describes its purpose. Select the trigger for your routine, such as time, voice command, or device activation. Next, tap Add Action and scroll to find Device. Choose your Ring thermostat from the list of devices. Select the specific action you want to perform, like adjusting the temperature or switching modes. After setting the action, tap Save to finalize your routine. Review your new routine to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make adjustments later, revisit the Routines section to edit as needed. Now, test your routine by using the trigger you selected. Monitor the performance to make sure it operates as intended. When you're finished, you can continue adjusting or adding more routines as needed. Your Ring thermostat is now integrated with Alexa routines, making it more convenient to manage your home's temperature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.